On this episode, we're going to talk about a very affordable machine that you can get for less than $200 if you want to start a t-shirt or a decal business, especially if you don't want to spend a lot of money. But we're going to tell you the truth because there are some advantages and disadvantages that you must know before buying this machine. And of course, we're going to tell you all the tools that you will need if you want to start a business from home making decals and t-shirts. And we are talking about the Silhouette Cameo 4. And one of the advantages of this machine is that you can use the software for free, the Silhouette Studio. Of course, you can always upgrade to the business edition. Another great advantage is that you can definitely sell one of the most sold items in our business, which is t-shirts with HTV. And the size on the design in the back is 12 inches, and that is exactly the same size for the Silhouette Cameo 4. So you don't need to get a big machine unless you want to make bigger decals. Another reason why you should make t-shirts with Cameo 4 is because that actually is the most sold item during the cold days. We've been making a lot of hoodies with HTV and also the transfers that we've been advertising a lot. But of course, you're gonna need other tools. You're gonna need some HTV vinyl. We use Scissor Easy Weed brand, and you can also use the application rollers that you see here. You can use this item to align your vinyl into the cutter. You can also use it to apply your own transfer into your decals. By the way, guys, if you are liking this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Other great products that you can make with Silhouette Cameo 4 is car magnets, and that is perhaps one of the most sold items when it comes to decals, and they're very easy to make. And the best thing is that you can make this item from the comfort of your home. Another great item that you can sell on your decal business are yard signs, and they're also very easy to make, and you can make them from the comfort of your home. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of Silhouette Cameo 4, and one of them is using smaller rolls. You have to use at least 12-inch vinyl roll or 15-inch, no bigger than that or smaller than the 12-inch, because if you don't do that, it's either not gonna fit or it's just not gonna work. Another well-known issue with Silhouette machines is that if you don't install the vinyl properly, it might slip while cutting and it's not going to stop the project and it's going to ruin the entire project. That is why it's important that you align your vinyl properly, and that is why we recommend that you use the application rollers to align your vinyl into the cutter. Before we continue, don't forget that we have a decal calculator that can help you price your decals. We also have other calculators that can help you price t-shirts and even signs, and you can use all of them if you join our gold membership. You can do it by clicking on the button below on this video, or you can just go to our website at rdidecals.com. Just click on where it says get gold membership, and then after you join and get your password, you log in into your account. Make sure you choose the proper membership. One of the disadvantages of this machine is that you cannot make bigger decals, and of course for the price it's still not that bad. But if you want to make bigger projects like the one that you are watching here, you cannot definitely make any decals this size because some of them are very big solids, and sometimes there's no way that you can make big decals like this with such a small machine. But like I said, for the price it's not that bad. However, not all hope is lost. As you watch in our videos, we have done many projects and decal projects using our Silhouette Cameo 4, barely a 12-inch vinyl cutter. As you are watching here on this episode, we use this small machine to make a medium-sized decal project, and you can also do it when you use the proper methods. However, it all depends on the design, because not all designs and projects are proper for the Silhouette Cameo 4. But this project specifically was very friendly to use our machine, which cost barely $200, because we could use the alignments that you see here to form kind of like a puzzle, and that is the best way that you can make a big decal if it's friendly to use the alignments. So that's why I invite you to check out our channel to watch this full episode of how we did or managed to make this decal with our small machine. So as you see, it is very possible. Just be creative and just work with what you have. So now you know what you can make with such a cheap machine like the Cameo 4, which barely costs $200. Now, if you want to make bigger projects and you want a bigger machine but don't want to spend crazy money, you can upgrade to the Cameo Pro, which is a 24-inch vinyl cutter. We also have many videos of what you can do with your Cameo Pro. We have made many vinyl stripes like this one, which we sell a lot in our online store. You can sell this on eBay or Etsy. With Silhouette Cameo Pro, we have also made many yard signs and car magnets. And of course, you know us. We have also made many car decal projects, and the most recent one has been this project. But of course, as we have told you in the beginning, this machine has also the same issues. You have to know how to align your vinyl properly, because if you don't, it will ruin the entire project. Now you see why it's important that you subscribe to our channel, because we constantly make videos about Silhouette Cameo 4 and Cameo Pro. So if you want to learn more about these machines before you buy your equipment, make sure you check out our channel. So this is it for this episode. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. We will see you guys again pretty soon. Thank you so much.